நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
After your complete teeth has evolved, why we need milk? Normally all the mothers and parents, they always says, मेरा बच्चा बड़ा कैसे होगा? When the calf itself does not drink milk for his own growth, why you are worried? मेरा बच्चा बड़ा कैसे होगा? How my child will grow? क्या your child is dependent on cow milk, cow and buffalo? So never ask this type of question. You don't need milk at all. Then you have a natural milk in your coconut, in your nuts. Then whatever you need, you can get through your all cereals and other thing, whatever you eat. So after infancy, you don't need milk. And so therefore, then people will say, where is my calcium? Calcium kahan se aayega? If I don't drink milk, from where I will get the calcium? See, calcium is not a problem for the body. There is a lot of calcium if you eat right food, if you eat right food and right exercises if you do, then we have a abundant of calcium. But we have a calcium leechers. The more high protein diet we eat, we lose our calcium because high protein diet create a high residuals of acids, uric acids and urea, so many things. So acid is neutralizing the calcium from your body, so you are losing the calcium. Then you have a sugar. And whenever you eat sugar, sugar's residuals is also acidic. Therefore, sugar also imbalances your phosphorus and calcium ratio of the body. And then, if you have stress also releases certain acids, which also uses calcium from your body. If you don't exercise, then absorption is very poor. If you don't go to sunshine, then because in the absence of vitamin D, though you may be having a lot of calcium inside your body, but it will not be properly absorbed. So you need vitamin D also. So many factors are involved. And it is a very false notion that we need calcium from animal kingdom. No. We have enough calcium in our diet if we take care of our nutrition. If we limit ourselves to proteins and we exercise good, and then we relax ourselves from through meditation, then automatically calcium start absorbing inside your body. And God has already created so many nuts for you. Why then we have to run after the animal? You have coconut. For every region, He has created different kinds of nuts. For South Indians, there is a coconut. Coconut is the only nut in this universe which is equivalent to mother's milk. Coconut. Therefore, it is called Srifal. It has been. We are using in the puja just to make your habit of eating. That's all. Otherwise, people may like it or not. So therefore, coconut, you can go for coconut. All the nuts has got superior kind of proteins. Whether it may be almonds, whether it may be peanuts, whether it may be walnut, any nuts. All nuts are superior proteins. So therefore, you don't have to struggle that I get my protein from milk, from paneer, or I get my milk from non-vegetarian food. No, you don't need. There is an excellent protein. See, there are two kinds of proteins. One is toxic proteins, one is non-toxic proteins. Non-vegetarian food, all the non-vegetarian food and all the even cereal products, even roti dal, all cereals, pulses and grains, they also create toxic residuals. Non-vegetarian is on the higher side, cereals are on the little lower side. But they do create lot of toxicity after its digestion. Whereas when you consume nuts, then the complete whole nuts are completely digested, only fibers are left, and very few toxic residuals are created. Very few, almost negligible, I can say. So therefore, go for nuts. Suppose if you ask a wrestler to run for 50 kilometer or 100 kilometer, if a person drinking milk or taking lot of non-vegetarian food, he may get tired at the 50 kilometer. But a person who eats nuts, he may run up to 200 kilometers. And this has been proved by, I have seen this kind of person. I think you might be also knowing that person from Shiv Sailam. I have heard about him. I have seen him on the stage. He's just living only on coconut and banana. That's all. You know somebody know that person? Living only on coconut and banana. Anybody know? आपको मालूम है? हाँ. So therefore, nuts, instead of milk, you can go for nuts. Nuts are your original protein, your right kind of fat, which is properly digested and which does not create any toxic residuals. So, then milk, suppose lot of people, they are using milk in their diet. If suppose what I suggest, please leave the milk. You don't need, your body does not need. But in case if you come across some time, because we are living in such a world where a lot of habits are changed, then whenever you want to take any curd or paneer or anything milk, then please do not combine with cereals. Because cereals and milk ferments inside the body. They are not fair combinations. Like cornflakes and milk, dalia or porridge and milk, bread and milk, rice and milk, which normally people uses. So eating paneer with the roti. So this all the combinations does not go well with the milk. If at all, if you come across sometime this kind of combinations, then please avoid milk from the cereal diet. And even milk cannot be taken with the non-vegetarian food also. If you suppose some person are non-vegetarian, if they eat non-vegetarian food, then please avoid milk from their diet, so to prevent indigestion. And even along with the milk, you should not take nuts also, because all the different proteins has got different kinds of digestion. So avoid like eating milk with the eggs or milk with the nuts. These are all not fair combinations. They all ferment inside. And you don't have to believe me. You just practice for 8 days what you believe, and then you practice what